Today's medical-centric topic is what to know about an eye strain headache. An eye strain headache is a type of headache that results from overuse or fatigue of the eye muscles, often due to prolonged screen time or other visually demanding tasks. These headaches can be uncomfortable and impact daily activities. Knowing the causes, symptoms, and relief strategies for eye strain headaches can help you manage and prevent them effectively. 1. What causes an eye strain headache? Eye strain headaches occur when your eyes are under strain for an extended period. Common causes include prolonged screen use. Spending hours on computers, smartphones, or tablets can lead to digital eye strain. Poor lighting. Reading in dim light or exposure to overly bright lighting can make the eyes work harder. Focusing on tasks for too long. Activities like reading, writing, or driving without breaks can contribute to eye fatigue. Uncorrected vision issues. Problems like farsightedness, nearsightedness, or astigmatism can cause the eyes to strain if not properly corrected with glasses or contacts. Understanding these causes can help identify lifestyle changes to reduce strain on your eyes. 2. Symptoms of an eye strain headache. An eye strain headache is often accompanied by symptoms such as pain behind the eyes, a dull ache around or behind the eyes which may worsen with continued eye use, blurry or double vision. Vision may become less sharp, making it difficult to focus. Dry or watery eyes. Eyes may feel dry, itchy, or watery due to prolonged strain. Sensitivity to light. Bright lights or sunlight can intensify the headache and eye discomfort. Neck and shoulder pain. Eye strain can lead to tension in surrounding muscles, causing discomfort in the neck and shoulders. Recognizing these symptoms can help you distinguish an eye strain headache from other types of headaches. 3. How to relieve and prevent eye strain headaches. There are several ways to alleviate and prevent eye strain headaches. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds to give your eyes a break. Adjust your screen settings. Reduce screen brightness, increase text size, and minimize glare by using anti-glare screens or adjusting lighting. Improve your workspace ergonomics. Ensure your screen is at eye level, about an arm's length away. Use lubricating eye drops. Eye drops can help combat dryness and keep your eyes comfortable during long periods of focus. Wear appropriate eyewear. If you have a vision prescription, make sure it's up to date and consider blue light blocking glasses for screen use.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.